a home can be overwhelming unless you're familiar with contracts, inspections, and negotiation. It might look like we just open doors and fill out paperwork, but there's more. What we really do is educate you on the process, legal forms, rights, responsibilities, and what to look for. Buyers see the cosmetics of a home, but don't always notice function. We're not inspectors, and I always recommend a home inspection, but I do see a lot of properties and notice things that you might miss. First of all, is it within your budget? 2, what's the condition? Things that will cost you money: the roof, the windows, the basement walls, the plumbing, and the HVAC. Then, does it work for you? And what will be the resale value in the future? The important part is guidance and negotiation. You're always in the decision maker seat, but we give you insights and advice on crafting and negotiating your offer. I've seen agents who absolutely kill the client's offer because of bad attitude or lack of skill. Choose an agent that you feel that you can trust and that's on your side.